Hello family and friends, and welcome back to Gourd.geous Gals. If you're new here, I'm Lonnie, and I hope you had a fantastic Christmas. We spent a couple days with family and friends full of chaos and fun and laughter, and of course, amazing food. But over the past few months, we've been hard at work trying to reimagine what Gourd.geous Gals can truly offer for our newly identified niche. Our focus is shifting to wellness. It's a holistic approach that connects gardening, natural remedies and products, and wholesome living. It's about creating a life full of health, beauty, and balance. And we want to take you along on this journey. So here's what's new and exciting. I'm going to introduce you to the garden, where we'll dive into the wonders of gardening, focusing on plants you can grow at home. Whether it's chamomile for tea or lavender for calming essential oils or basil, that's perfect for homemade pesto. We'll explore how to cultivate and use these plants in your daily life. And then I'll introduce you to the magic of freeze drying. It's a fantastic way to preserve the goodness of our garden while keeping nutrients intact. I'll share tips, tricks, and recipes using these preserved ingredients. And then we'll continue to share recipes that is really the heart of Gourd.geous Gals. We'll be featuring meals made with whole foods, garden fresh produce, our freeze-dried products, and medicinal recipes using the herbs that we grow out of our medicinal garden. These recipes will hopefully inspire you to bring the garden's bounty to your own table, one delicious dish at a time. Kind of cheeky, huh? Anyway, finally, we're developing and growing our natural product line. We're starting with the soaps and the candles, and we have some exciting new items in the works that we'll share later down the road. We're working on crafting products that are good for you and kind to the environment. You'll find these creations in our Etsy shop and our WIX website. The links will be down below. Finally, we're expanding our print-on-demand offerings through Etsy and WIX, and you'll find unique designs that celebrate Gourd.geous Gals lifestyle, perfect for gift giving or treat yourself. To make all of this possible, we're shifting to a monthly video schedule. This will allow us time to develop recipes, create high quality products, and bring you thoughtful, enriching content. We'll be posting a weekly blog to keep you updated to all the activities and special sales to members only. So, if you haven't already joined the email group, jump over to the WIX website and sign up. I promise you, I will not spam you. There will be a weekly blog on Wednesdays to update you with all the exciting accomplishments. So I want to thank you for being a part of the Gourd.geous Gals community. Your support means the world to us. And if you're as excited as I am about this new direction, hit the like button and subscribe and the ring bell so you don't miss our upcoming monthly videos. Below is the link to our WIX website so you can join the email community and stay updated to all the happenings. But most of all, we want to wish you a prosperous and safe new year for 2025. And remember to watch your email for our very first blog that we'll be sending on January 1st, 2025. We will be posting on Wednesdays. So let's grow together, one garden, one recipe, one product at a time. And until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.